Hi, let's look at this question together. At a party, 3 over 16 of the people were adults and the rest were children. 9 over 13 of the children were girls. After 104 girls left the party, there were 58 as many girls as boys. How many people were there at first? Okay, so if you see this type of question, it is usually a single bar type of model. If you look at it deeper, it's actually same as those remainder type of question. Okay, so first thing, 3 over 16 of the people were adult, so I assume this is 3 unit adult, so the rest has to be 13 unit. Okay, 9 over 13 of the children were girls, so these are the children, remember? So 9 over 13, so 9 unit were girls, and if 9 unit were girls, it means that 4 unit were boys, because 9 plus 4 will give me 13. Okay, so after 104 girls left the party, okay, there were 5 over 8 as many girls as boys. So which means that after the number of girls 104 left the party, I reduce it to 104. This portion here is 5 8 of the boys. So this is 5p, this has to be 8p. Okay, that is the reason why I draw the girl on the right and not in the middle, is because I know that later I'm going to reduce the number of girls. If I draw the girls first, based on the question, 9 over 13 of the children were girls. If I draw in the middle, when I try to minus this 104, the graph looks a bit weird. So that is the reason I move it to the side. In case you started with adult, girls, boys, and when you come to minus 104, you know it, all you need to do is just swap the partition, so that it's easier for you to deduct it, and you have 8 and 5 here. Okay, so from the model itself, it becomes very clear that 4u is actually equal to 8p. So I can say that u is equal to 2p, because 4u is equal to 8p, u must be equal to 2p. Okay, I also can see that 8p plus 5p plus 104, this whole line, is equal to 13u. Okay, so I say 8p plus 5p plus 104 is equal to 13u. So 8p plus 5p is 13p plus 104. 13u, what is u? u is 2p. So 13 times 2p will give me 26p. Okay, so I have 13p plus 104 is equal to 26p. I solve it, p is equal to 8. So now I know p is equal to 8. The question asks how many people were there at first. So at first there are 16u, 3u plus 13u, so it's 16u of people. So the number of people at first is 16u. So 16u is equal to 16 times 2p, because each u is 2p, 16 times 2p. So we know p is 8, so it's 16u times 2 times 8. That will give you 256. So the question is, the answer is, there were 256 people at first. Hope that helps.